everyone, a very good morning to all of you. કેમ છો બધા મજામાં ને? Okay, so today I came with the fourth part of RRB nursing exam question series. Okay, in every question series I include 2 or 3 questions regarding the general knowledge and maths question. Okay, so you get the exact format of RRB nursing paper. Okay, so let's continue with our today's question series. Our first question is, which one of the following substance is released during the inflammatory process when platelets are activated? So here our right answer is serotonin. Okay, next question. Who were the early pioneers of immunization? So here our right answer is Chinese are the early pioneers of immunization. Okay, next question. The Bohr committee aimed at having a health center to serve a population of about, so here our right answer is about 10,000 to 20,000 population. Okay, so Bohr committee it is established in 1946. Okay, the chairman of a Bohr committee is Sir Joseph Bohr. Okay, then the other name of Bohr committee is Health Survey and Development Committee. Okay, Health Survey and Development Committee. Okay, so please remember this question from a Bohr committee. Okay, next question. What is the first phase in a wound healing? So here our right answer is first phase is a hemostasis phase, which include the clotting of a blood. Okay, then the second phase is a inflammatory phase. Okay, this one is the second phase. Then third phase is a proliferative phase, and the fourth phase is a maturation phase. Okay, so there are mainly 4 phases in a wound healing. First one is a hemostasis, second one is a inflammatory, third one is a proliferative, and fourth one is a maturation phase. Okay, next question. Fear of closed space is a term is, so here our right answer is claustrophobia is a known as a fear of closed space. Okay, एक पर्सन को लिफ्ट में डर लगता है, so it is called claustrophobia. Okay, then gamophobia is a fear of marriage. Gamophobia is a fear of marriage, or we can say fear of a commitment. Okay, then acrophobia means fear of height. पर्सन को हाइट से डर लगता है. Then hematophobia is a fear of error, or we can say fear of sinning. Okay, then let's understand the other phobia like like hydrophobia. So hydrophobia is a fear of water. Okay, then xenophobia is a fear of stranger. Okay, stranger से डर लगता है पर्सन को. Then zoophobia means fear of animal. Okay, पर्सन को एनिमल से डर लगता है. Then glossophobia it is a fear of speaking in a public place. Okay, काफी सारे पर्सन को glossophobia होता है, fear of speaking in a public place. Okay, so this is a important phobia which asked in a nursing exam. Next question. Is an acquired global impairment of intellectual, memory and a personality but without impairment of a consciousness. So it is called dementia. Okay, C is the right answer. Then next question. Lane James Thorpe is associated with which game and sport? So it is associated with the swimming. B is the right answer. Okay, next question. What is the legal age to perform a marriage for a girls in India? So here our right answer is 18 age is a legal age to perform a marriage for a girl in India. Okay, next question. The failure to conceive after 1 year of unprotected regular sexual intercourse is called as, so it is called as infertility. Okay, azoospermia. So azoospermia means the absence of sperm in a semen. Okay, next question. All of the executive actions of a government of India are formally taken in the name of, so here our right answer is the president. D is the right answer. Next question, the cord that is inserted into the membrane some distance from the edge of the placenta is known as. So here our right answer is, it is known as velametous insertion of a cord. Okay, so let me explain this placental abnormality via one image. So here you can see this one is a velametous insertion of cord. Okay, umbilical cord is attached to the chorionic membrane. Okay, and here this one is a battledore placenta. Okay, umbilical cord is attached with the margin of a placenta. Okay, in normal umbilical cord is attached in a center point. Okay, here umbilical cord is attached in a center of placenta, but in a battledore placenta umbilical is attached in the marginal site of placenta. Okay, so this one is a battledore placenta. Then this one is a circumvallate placenta. Okay, here you can see the extra ring, grayish white ring on a fetal surface that is created by a double fold of amnion and chorion. So it is called the circumvallate placenta. Okay, and this is a picture of succenturiate placenta. Okay, one accessory lobe is present. Okay, this one is the one accessory lobe, this one is the main placenta, and this one is the accessory lobe. So it is called circumvallate it is called succenturiate placenta. Okay, so here our right answer is velametous insertion of cord. Okay, next question, the arithmetic average which is obtained by a summing of all observation and dividing the total by a number of observation is called, so it is called mean. Okay, here our right answer is mean. Okay, so what is the mean? Mean is the total of value divided by a number of value. Okay, let me give you one example. Like this is a series of value 1 2 3 4 4 5 and 9. Okay, so how to calculate the mean of this value? Okay, firstly we have to sum total of this all number. Okay, when we total it is about 28 and then divided by the number of values. So here the total number is 7. Okay, so here our mean is a 4. Okay, so mean is the total of a value divided by the number of value. Okay, then second one is a mode. So mode is the value that appear most often set of data. Okay, like in our previous example, here the number that is repeatedly present in a set. So here fourth number is repeatedly present in a set. So this is our mode. Okay, and the next one is a median. So median is the middle number in a list of a number order from lowest to highest. Okay, so in our previous example, here the formula of median is the n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, here n is the total number of value, that is 7 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so it is 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So here the 4 number is a median of this set. Okay, so here 4 number is a median of that set. Okay, so this type of question also asked in RRB nursing exam. Okay, next question, which is the mainly responsible for a fight and flight reaction? So here our right answer is adrenal medulla. It is responsible for a fight and flight response. Next question, the number of complete ossification per unit time is called, so it is called frequency. Okay, next question, the antigen that form loose and cotton woolly clumps during the agglutination, it is called H antigen. C is the right answer. Okay, next question, what reflex is an expulsive uterine contraction experienced by a mother during the labor? Okay, so it is called Ferguson reflexes. Okay, B is the right answer. So Ferguson reflexes is also known as fetal ejection reflex. Okay, which is a positive biological response of a labor. Next question, who discovered the virus in a biology? So here our right answer is Dmitry Ivanovsky, who is the discover virus in a biology. Okay, here Edward Jenner is a father of vaccination. Okay, because he discovered the first vaccine against smallpox. Okay, then Robert Hooke. So Robert Hooke is this first scientist who visualized the microorganism. Okay, visualize the microorganism. Then Robert Koch, it is known as father of bacteriology. Robert Koch is a father of bacteriology. Okay, next question, disulfiram is a drug used in a treatment of alcoholism. A is the right answer. Next question, what is the SI unit of force? So here our right answer is Newton is a SI unit for force. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question, what is a component of an in-service education? So here our right answer is staff development program. B is the right answer. Next question, nervous tissue is made up of that receive and conduct the impulses. So here our right answer is nervous tissue is made up of neuron. A is the right answer. Next question, which of the following gases is not a part of greenhouse gases? So here our right answer is oxygen is not a part of greenhouse gases. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question, which cortical area is responsible for a formulation of a speech? So here our right answer is Broca area of a frontal lobe is responsible for a formulation of speech. A is the right answer. Next question, which gas used in a laparoscopic procedure? So here our right answer is carbon dioxide is used in a laparoscopic procedure. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question, which immunoglobulin transferred through a placenta? So here our right answer is IgG is the only immunoglobulin which is transferred to a placenta. Okay, so here IgM is the largest immunoglobulin. Then IgD is responsible to activation of a beta cell. Okay, then IgA is present in a body tissue like in a saliva, then breast milk. Okay, then also in a tear. So IgA is present in a body tissue. Next question, which one of the following key point is not a philosophy of administration? So here our right answer is reward and a challenge is not a key point in a philosophy of administration. Okay, next question, which one of the following is a method for effective control of a pain in a post-operative patient and those with a chronic pain? So here our right answer is transdermal route is effective route for a control of a pain in a post-operative patient. Okay, next question, which condition is defined as the inflammation of peritoneum? So it is called peritonitis. Okay, next question, who among the following freedom fighter gave the slogan freedom is my birthright and I shall have it? So here our right answer is it is a slogan of a Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D is the right answer. Next question, the most important hormone secreted by the pineal gland is? So here our right answer is melatonin. Okay, melatonin is secreted by the pineal gland. Okay, next question, what are the formal process for testing a hypothesis? So here our right answer is state, formulate, analysis and interpret. Okay, so A is the correct sequence for testing the hypothesis. Okay, next question, which among the following is referred to as the perfectional principle? So here superego is based on a perfectional principle. Here id is based on pleasure principle. Okay, and ego is based on reality based principle. Okay, and the superego is based on perfectional principle. Okay, next question, the condition in which false beliefs are firmly maintained even though they are not shared by other, it is called delusion. Okay, delusion is a false unshakable belief. Okay, then illusion is a misinterpretation of the real actual stimuli, like a person perceive a rope into a snake. Okay, पर्सन को ऐसा लगता है कि वहाँ पे कोई एक रोप है, उसको वो स्नेक परसीव करता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A man stand on a road facing the south direction. He turned 45 degree in a clockwise direction and 90 degree in an anti-clockwise direction. Which direction is he facing now? So here, to solve this kind of problem, firstly we have to draw the normal direction phase, that is east, west, north and south. So here the man stand on a road facing the south direction. So here man is facing on a south direction. Okay, then he turned 45 degree clockwise. So here this one is a clockwise. Okay, so he turned 45 degree clockwise. So here he turned 45 degree and then 90 degree anti-clockwise. So here from this he turned 90 degree anti-clockwise. Okay, so here, so what are the direction he facing now? So here our right answer is person is in south direction and it facing in a east. Okay, east side. So here our right answer is south east. This is the right answer. Okay, next question. Mirena is a, so here our right answer is Mirena is a intrauterine device. It is a hormonal intrauterine device. Okay, it comes in under the third generation. Okay, so mainly intrauterine device have a 3 generation. First generation include the Lipper loop. Okay, then second generation include the copper T. Okay, and third generation include the hormonal contraceptive. Okay, next question. According to School Health Committee of India, the minimum land area for elementary school education is, so here right answer is 10 acres. Okay, next question. Which condition is caused by a deficiency of vitamin D in a children? So here our right answer is rickets. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question. Which is the largest serous membrane of the body? So here our right answer is peritoneum is the largest serous membrane in our body. A is the right answer. Next question. What is the other name of pancreatoduodenectomy? So here our right answer is, it is called Whipple procedure. Okay, so here Bilorod 1 and Bilorod 2 is a surgical intervention for a gastric ulcer. Okay, Bilorod 1 is also known as gastroduodenostomy. Okay, and Bilorod 2 is also known as gastrojejunostomy. Okay, next question. What is a classical sign of obstructive sleep apnea? So here our right answer is snoring is a classical sign of obstructive sleep apnea. Okay, next question. Ukai Dam is located in a which state? So Ukai Dam is located in a Gujarat state. B is the right answer. Next question. Which phase is a maximum multiplication resulting in an increased population of a bacteria with a reduced generation time? So it is a log phase. Okay, D is the right answer. Next question. Vijayawada city is situated on the bank of river. So here Vijayawada city is situated in a Krishna. Okay. Next question. Bohr-Haave syndrome, it is the rupture of the esophagus. Okay, so D is the right answer. Next question. Wear of helmet include which level of prevention? So it include the primary level of prevention. Okay, in primary level risk factor is present. Okay, and our goal is to minimize the risk factor. Okay, and primary prevention include the health promotion and specific protection. Okay, so helmet is included in a specific protection. Vaccination is also included in a specific protection. Using of a condom, it is also included in a specific protection. Okay. Next question. Which part of the breast is a Montgomery gland situated? So here our right answer is near the base of nipple. A is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following element is a diatomic molecule? So here our right answer is hydrogen is a diatomic molecule, because hydrogen denote is a H2. Okay. Here sulfur is a polyatomic molecule, because sulfur have a atomic number of 8. Okay. Then the argon and helium, it is a monoatomic molecule, because have a only one atomic number. Okay. Next question. Which procedure is used to eliminate the calculi from the urinary tract? So here our right answer is lithotripsy procedure is used to eliminate the calculi from the urinary tract. Okay. And the last question, which is an epileptic drug? So here our right answer is phenytoin is a anti-epileptic drug. Okay. Here etomidate is used as a sedation. Then rifampicin is a drug of choice in a tuberculosis. Okay. And the chloroquine is used in a malaria patient. Okay. And so here epileptic drug is a phenytoin. A is the right answer. Okay. So here we finish our 50 MCQ series for RRB nursing exam. Okay. I hope that you get all these questions, and if you have still query, then feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay. And if you like our question series, then please share with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.